You're back in the kitchen with me. Are you ready to host the ultimate dinner party and learn how to make one of the dishes that got me into the MasterChef South African kitchen? What's the dish, you ask? It's chicken roulade, stuffed with a mushroom duxel, served with a beautiful cream white wine sauce, cumin and honey roasted carrots, and a beautiful creamy cauliflower mash. We're gonna get cooking and start with our duxel. So I'm gonna fry off my onions and my mushrooms. I'm gonna add some garlic, fresh herbs. We're also going to add some white wine. We're going to cook off the alcohol and sweat this off so it's nice and dry so it can be a beautiful, perfect stuffing. So our first step is to butterfly our chicken. We want to make sure our chicken cooks evenly. So we want to get a nice thin slice of chicken breast. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take one piece of cling wrap, place that there, and sandwich that between our chicken and another one. We now get to have a little fun and take out some frustration. So now that our chicken is flat, what we're going to do is we're going to remove the top layer of cling wrap. I'm going to add some salt and pepper. So now I'm going to season my butterfly chicken breast with our mushroom duxel and layer mozzarella cheese and roll it up and cover it in pancetta and fry it off in the pan. So I've seared my chicken roulade. In the pan I put the remaining duxel. I'm going to add cream and parmesan cheese and make a delicious sauce. We're going to place the chicken roulade back into the sauce in the oven so we cook it all the way through, and we're going to boil up our cauliflower florets to make our mash. To make a cauliflower mash, we're going to boil our cauliflower till soft and tender. We're going to add cream and butter and we're going to blend it. We're going to add salt, pepper and lots of parmesan cheese. We want a beautiful, soft, silky cauliflower mash. Lots of buttery, cheesy goodness. My honey and cumin roasted carrots are an absolute crowd pleaser and it's really simple to make. What we're going to do is take a pestle and mortar and add garlic, cumin, coriander, chili flakes, mix it all together and coat our carrots with honey and olive oil and roast it in the oven at 180 degrees till they are soft in the center and golden brown and delicious on the outside. Make sure you coat every single carrot on every single edge. You want that honey, that olive oil and all those spices getting to every little piece of carrot so none of them are left behind. This looks so yummy, it's going to taste delicious. I'm going to put this in the oven. So our chicken is done, our sauce is done, our mash is done, our carrots are done. The ultimate dinner party dinner is done. All we're going to do is top our chicken. We're going to do that in the middle here with our mash. Then we're going to add some sauce. This is so delicious. I wish you could smell what my kitchen smells like right now. And the reality is, this just looks way too good not to taste. So I'm gonna have a taste. What I'm gonna say, if you don't want to use this as a dinner party dish, if you want to use this as a dish to get the guy, impress the girl, or just say thanks to mom, this is a winner.